Do you think early bird people who wake up early and start the day early will have a higher probability of getting success, or the people who are spending late night and sleeping at, let's say, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, and then waking up at 9, 10 and doing their professional will succeed? What do you feel?
I heard a theory who are early bird, actually they are kind of success people, like some famous personalities. But personally, I feel it's the personal nature of each individual, what kind of person they are. Some of them are actually early bird. Some of them can do that one. That's why they're a different personality who can stay up late in the night.
Okay.
That's as per the generic theory. What I heard is that almost all the billionaires, they are kind of early bird people.
Okay. Well said. Well said. What about others? What do you think?
Same.
Okay.
It varies person to person.
It varies person to person. Okay. So do you think that that's fine, even if I can work hard in the night or if I can work hard in the morning, so it will still work? Yes?
See, from my perspective, I will also early like a morning person actually.
Okay.
Okay, but I have seen some of the people who have. It depends upon their interest. If they have an interest towards it, if whether it is a night or a morning,
Okay. Let's
they
do
will be
one thing then. I usually yesterday I told you, I guess I usually work in that second half so that I have a overlap time. Okay. So I finished my class, I finished my office work at 12 a.m. And by the time I sleep, it will be 1 a.m. And I need to wake up at 6:30 for class. Okay. So instead of having 6:30, since you guys are saying if you have interest, you can attend any time. Can we have class at 1 o'clock early morning? We'll finish it off night and we'll wake up early. Will that work?
no.
Why?
No.
You guys are saying no. That's fine. If you have that willpower, like that's fine. Like if I have interest, if I really want to scale up, if I really want to learn something, and you guys are saying it's fine anytime. So instead of 6:30, can we have at 1 a.m.? We'll all will be able to attend.
No, I can't. After 10, I can't.
Okay. What about others? The guys who said irrespective of time, if we have interest, yeah, that should work. Can we have class at 1 a.m.? Possible?
No.
Better time management.
Time management. Okay. See, my conclusion will always be that, yes, it's all about the willpower. Okay. When you want to do something, irrespective of time, I've been doing a lot of night works. I've been doing a lot of early morning works. But yeah, as long as you are very focused on what you need to do, you will definitely achieve it, right? But your biological cycle, your body needs some sort of clock, right? Like exactly at morning 10 o'clock you feel hungry, again 2 o'clock you will feel hungry, again night 7 o'clock you feel hungry. It's called biological clock, right? So everyone have their own clock. With that, if I compare the early morning, whatever you do, instead of taking, let's say like I take 1.5 hours class, right? The knowledge that goes into your brain, there is a high likely chance that you will remember forever if it's a morning, right? And night, yeah, of course, even night you will be like able to focus because no one will be around you. You can still do your work, but there is some sort of disturbance that will be created by your sleep. Okay, some sort of disturbance. You have tea, you have coffee, whatever you have. So some sort of disturbance will be there. Okay. So I take about 3 to 4 batches in a day, but the one batch which I really enjoy is always a 6:30 batch, the morning batch. The one reason, your brain will be fresh and I'll be able to convey a lot of information. Okay. So that should be applicable for you guys as well. Okay. So make sure that you finish it off your class by 6:30, so join 6:30, 7:45, you close it. And from there onwards, you can continue with your day. Okay.